The so-called sponsorship bill has brought lawmakers to blows. According to the new legislation, presidential candidates need signatures from 65,000 eligible voters in order to stand in the 2019 elections. Senegal currently has over 200 political parties. The ruling party, the Alliance for the Republic, says a bill is a necessary measure to streamline the voting process. 47 candidates contested the 2012 presidential polls.
It will help to eliminate candidates who are not serious about running. If only a few candidates stand, it will simplify the electoral process and ensure there are fewer disputes.
However, the opposition sees the new law as a bid to stifle democracy. MPs abstain from voting.
The bill is anti-democratic because it takes away the secrecy element of voting. If you sponsor a candidate, everyone knows who you're going to vote for come election time. It's unconstitutional.
Despite opposition members abstaining, the bill received enough votes to be passed. Astatal, CGTN.